The SnapSafe 2 gun has a reprogrammable keypad. The factory combination is 1, 2, 3, 4. To reset your combination, reach in and press the reset button and hold it down for 3 seconds. Once you have the 2 yellow beeps, enter in your new combination. Then hit the reset button again. Now you have a new factory combination of 3434. You also have silent mode. To remove the beeps, press and hold down the 1 button for 4 seconds. Once you have a yellow flashing light, you are now in silent mode. This gives you silent entry to access your firearms and valuables. For more information, check us out at SnapSafe.com.